Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You must be signed into the same Google account that owns your channel. Once signed in, you'll use YouTube Studio. First, open Studio and go straight to Customization, then the Branding tab. You'll see Profile Picture. Do not upload through mobile app yet. Make sure your image meets size rules and is PNG or JPG under 6 MB. Click Change, select the correct file, and confirm upload. This initiates Google's Profile Sync, which is the only reliable path to update your channel avatar. After selecting a compliant image, you must click Publish in YouTube Studio. This is not optional because it writes the change to your Google account. Once you publish, Google will start propagating the new avatar across services. Do not immediately re-upload or use the mobile YouTube app to change it, because conflicting updates will delay propagation. Make sure to clear browser cache or view in an incognito window to check changes. If Studio shows the new image, propagation is underway. Now you wait. Once you've published, give Google up to 24 hours to propagate the avatar. If it still hasn't changed, sign out everywhere, then sign back in to force refresh, clear browser cache, and check incognito. You can also open your Google account's personal info to confirm the image updated there. If it didn't, reupload from Studio once only. The key troubleshooting tip: don't keep reuploading, waiting after a single. Correct publish is the only way to avoid conflicts and ensure the profile picture finally changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.